Hey everybody, it's Drew, Principal Drew Scale Models. Here we go with another Airfix 172 kit. This is the Curtis Hawk 81-A-2, otherwise known as the P-40. This was one of the variants that was produced early on. Comes in one marking scheme. It's a flying tiger. Look at the back. So that's awesome. And this is Charles Older, 3rd Squadron American Volunteer Group, Kunming, China. And I think this was the, if you can see the insignia there, up there, this is one of the Devil's Disciples Squadron. Alright. And again, it's got the paint callouts. These are Humbrol paint numbers. But I'll be using, I have Vallejo colors for this build. So let's take a look at what's inside. So the kit comes in 2 sprues plus a sprue of clear parts. So let's take a look at this first one. It's going to be your bottom half of the wing. Nice recessed panel lines. Same thing there. Tires are not flattened, so they're just all the way around. Separate exhaust, which I like. You also get a pilot. Look at this one. Okay, fuselage halves. Again, recessed panel lines. Pretty deep, but it looks like a nice crisp plastic. I don't see any flash. I don't even see really any pin marks. 3-blade prop. Cockpit floor. Alright, here you've got 2 weighted tires. Okay. And over here it looks like these are just halves. And so if you wanted to do it wheels up, those would go in there. So that's nice. You can see some of the detail inside. It looks good. That'll be fun. Okay. Clear parts. They look very nice and clear. Shouldn't have any problem with those. Okay, let's take a look at this. There's the decals. Yeah, really nicely made. And I believe, at least I want to say, these are cartograph. Should show on the box. Yeah. So on the box it shows cartograph. So these are cartograph decals. So these should be really nice. Instructions. Okay. And this is the P-40B. A little information about the aircraft. Of course, we start with fuselage halves together. Prop assembly. It looks like the floor of the cockpit and instrument panel and seat all mount to the bottom half of the wing, and then attaches up to the fuselage halves. So yeah, so right there. Here you get an option if you want to, looks like maybe cowl flaps if you want them open or closed. Got some gun mount. And here is your option for if you want wheels down or wheels up, then you follow these steps. And the rear tail, the rudder, horizontal stabilizer. So, and then on the back, putting all the wheels on, and then of course the pilot canopy. I guess that's an armor plate. Yeah, pretty straightforward build, guys. This is going to be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to this, so I'm going to get started on it right now. So, Airfix 172 Curtiss Hawk 81-A-2, otherwise known as the P-40B. Alright guys, thank you. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to follow along the build, give me a subscribe and hit the bell notification. And this might be one of those ones where I can build it pretty quickly and just do a full video build. It looks a lot of fun. Thanks guys. Take care.